Are you confused about whether to use an image asset or a vector asset for your app's icons? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the differences between these two types of assets and helping you make the right choice. I totally get it. Choosing the right asset can feel overwhelming, especially when you want your app to look its best. Many developers face this dilemma, and it can really impact the overall design and performance of your app. Here's the specific question we're addressing. A user recently asked, what are the differences between image assets and vector assets? They want to know what makes them different and which one to choose for their app. Let's break it down together. So what exactly are image assets and vector assets? Image assets are typically raster images, which means they are made up of pixels. On the other hand, vector assets are created using mathematical equations, allowing them to scale without losing quality. Understanding these differences is crucial for your app's design. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to choose the best asset for your specific needs. To begin understanding the differences between image assets and vector assets, the user should know that image assets are typically raster images. These images are made up of pixels and can lose quality when resized. On the other hand, vector assets are composed of paths defined by mathematical equations. This means they can be scaled to any size without losing quality, making them ideal for icons and logos. Next, the user should consider the file sizes. Image assets can be larger in size due to the pixel data, while vector assets are generally smaller because they store instructions rather than pixel information. Finally, the user should think about the use cases. Image assets are suitable for detailed images like photographs, while vector assets are perfect for simple graphics like icons and illustrations. Fun fact, did you know that the first digital images were created in the 1950s? They were far from perfect, but they paved the way for the stunning graphics we have today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that when you create an image asset, it automatically generates a vector graphic in an XML file format. This allows you to maintain just one XML file for your image, rather than updating multiple graphics and resolutions. In contrast, creating a vector asset involves directly creating an XML file that describes the image or graphic. Here's the tip I promised. When in doubt, use vector assets for icons and logos, and reserve image assets for detailed images. This will ensure your app looks sharp and professional. And there you have it. Now you know the key differences between image assets and vector assets. Remember, choosing the right asset can make a huge difference in your app's design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.